We are taking off from Nuelchuky. What's up, my wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? So guys, this is the latest update on this very road. Before we proceed, if this is your very first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Noella and this is Nuelchuky, my little space on YouTube world. So guys, as you watch, please share to your family and friends. Do let us know anything you think about this very video. So guys, without wasting much of your time, this very road is Emekuku Road. Yeah, Owerri Umuahia Road. If you're going to Umuahia, you must pass through this road. If you're going to this very road has been under construction for some time now. So today we shall be giving you the latest updates on this road. All you have to do is to get your children, get your popcorn, relax, and make sure you watch this very video to the end. And as you watch, if you've not subscribed to our channel, support your girl by subscribing, turn on your notification bell so you always get alert of our videos. Remember, we took off from Nuelchuky and now we are heading to Owerri. Let's see the look of this road today. And as you watch, please do let us know anything you think about this video. Now we're heading to Okadankwo. Let's see how far they've gone on the bridge. So guys, this is Okadankwo. You can see the river over there. It's now flowing. Oh my god, I love what I'm seeing. Wow, this is good. This is Okadankwo River. Now we're heading to Mission. So friends, what do you think about this road? To me, I think they're really working. But just that it's taking little time. You can see Mount Carmel Catholic Church by my right. So my wonderful people, as you watch, please share to your family and friends. So my wonderful people, what do you think about this video? Hope you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video to your family and friends so they can see the latest updates on this road. And for you to have watched up to this point means you like my video. Thanks so much, and see you guys again in the next video.